In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put your Wix website under construction. Whether you're revamping your design or just not quite ready for the public launch, sometimes you need to let your visitors know that your site isn't quite ready. Putting your site under construction is a simple and effective way to keep it professional. Let's dive in and walk through it step by step. First, open your Wix editor. Once you're in, head over to the left sidebar and click on Menus and Pages. This is where you'll manage your site's navigation and create new content. You'll want to click on plus add page to create a fresh new page. This new page will be your placeholder, letting visitors know that your website is under construction. Go ahead and give it a name, something clear and straightforward like under construction or coming soon. Now that you have your new page, it's time to design it. Keep your design simple, clean, and informative. Start by adding a strip with either a solid background color or an image that represents your brand. Next, include a heading. You could go for something catchy or descriptive, like "We're building something amazing." This headline will catch the attention of your viewers and set the right expectation. Underneath your heading, include a paragraph with a bit more info, like "Our website is under construction, check back soon." This further clarifies what's happening and reassures your visitors that they're in the right place. If you'd like, you can add extras like a countdown timer to build anticipation, an email sign-up form for updates, or social media icons to keep them connected. A quick tip: if you're short on time, consider using a pre-made coming soon template from the Wix templates section. These templates are designed to help you get started quickly and look fantastic right out of the box. With your page designed, the next step is to hide all your other pages. To do this, you'll return to Menus and Pages. Here, hover over every page except for your under construction page. For each of these pages, click on the three dots, those little ellipses, and select Hide from Menu. Although this hides the pages from your site's navigation, you can still edit them behind the scenes. It's a great way to work on your site without having anything live to the public. Finally, you need to set your under construction page as the home page. In the Menus and Pages section, hover over your under construction page. Click on the three dots, and this time, choose Set as Homepage. By doing this, anyone who enters your site's domain will be automatically directed to your new page. And there you have it. Your Wix website is now officially under construction. When visitors come to your site, they'll see your professional placeholder, keeping them informed while you work on what comes next. Thanks for tuning in, and happy building.